to my channel. So yesterday was my 17th birthday and I got a MacBook Air M2 chip from my parents as a gift. It comes with the charging cable, the MacBook guide booklet as well as an adapter, and booklet had instruction guides, what's inside the box, and these two Apple stickers. And the charging cable, one side had a type C and the other was a magnetic cable which is only for this MacBook. I loved the way it looked so slim and sleek. I clicked on the get started button and I had to choose the languages, the countries, all of that, and here I was with my interface. The first thing that I did was go to App Store and download Velo, which is my #1 editing app. Next, I downloaded Canva. So I wanted a Y2K aesthetic wallpaper and there were a lot of options on Canva, like a lot of ideas to choose from. But for now I wanted something simple and sober, so I chose this one and I made a few tiny edits. Then I downloaded the image and in settings in wallpaper I added this photo as the wallpaper. So obviously being able to transfer photos and videos from my iPhone to MacBook is going to be very useful. So here I uploaded the videos that I have recorded for this MacBook only and I'm going to be uploading them in Velo. So I opened Velo, I clicked on the new project button, selected my clips next, and there you select the 16:9 ratio with fill for most YouTube videos, and Velo is going to give you everything that you need to make a very good YouTube video. First, definitely I will be talking about text. So here you can add lots of text. I'm going to go with the basic ones, like I'll just add my text, centrally align it, and then I like to choose my font. There are loads and loads of options that you can choose from. This particular font is kind of my favorite, so I'm going to use this one. Now you see that the text is not like popping up the screen, so for that we're going to click on format, we're going to click on shadow, click on the black color option, and now we're going to blur this black outline. So you click on blur radius and I like to stretch it up to 6 and it just gives me that lifted look on my text. The good thing about Velo is that you can actually be very creative with your text as well as your stickers. So like you can choose till where you want your text to be. Next we're going to talk about the sound effects. This particular sound effect is something that I use mostly. It's called the mouse click. So I added that, and now let's talk about the graphics section. So you will find lots of stickers by Velo. Just don't use the ones which have this crown sticker on them, because that just means that they are the premium version, like you have to purchase the Velo premium version, and I use the free version. Next I added this cute diamond sticker, and I can also customize from what time I want the sticker to be on the screen, and this is what it looks like. Anyways, the next step I wanted to do was open Notion on this MacBook. So I opened Safari and logged in my Notion with my Gmail account, and this is what my dashboard looks like in Notion. I used a pre-made template and just added a few little changes here and there, although it says class 11th but I'm now in class 12th. Anyways, this is the second page where I am able to keep a track of my tests, and this is my performance analysis page where I can track my midterms, my finals, all of that. And I also have a daily journal where I can write about my days sometimes. I am also very excited to be making my YouTube thumbnails on my MacBook. anyways, I was done with all that. I airdropped all the other videos to my MacBook, and now it was just time to edit them. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.